You can send it to me.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep. Ready.
Okay. The zipper is in here. Just mark it or open.
Okay. Y'all got that? You
That's
just go-
funny. Okay. That's funny. Right from the I can't do that. Oh, I could do it, but it'd be all tore up, and I'd have to. Wow. That's amazing. Okay.
Okay, go past the chingadera.
Go past the chingadera. Oh, the bar tack. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Do the bar.
No, the bar tag not yet.
Oh, there it is. Oh, I see. Okay.
And this is the seam sealer. Is open too.
Okay. So you're cutting the tape.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
How come when I go to do it, it don't look that easy? Oh. Really?
Yes, sir.
Can you do it like that in a slow motion, please?
Well, this is less than 1 minute. You know, she's.
Lord. That's a YouTube video. Fast. Right. That's how many years apprentice?
10 years.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
Well, I got a long way to get shop.
And separate in this part.
Okay.
Then what you do? You cut that there.
Cut that.
Yeah.
Gotta. All right.
Is the seam tape?
See,
Mm-hmm.
that's where I have the most trouble.
Be careful, preppers.
Voila, huh? And that's how it's done, y'all.
Okay. So she's released one side.
That's my problem. I don't cut it in the middle. So I'm gonna start cutting that bad boy.
Okay.
Oh, I need to take the. And the rest is a piece of cake, right? Look at that.
Sure.
Bam! Thank you, man. Wow.
Okay.
It's amazing.
Okay, so you're cleaning it up.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, the bar tag is.
Okay.
You put the new zipper. You check is the for the same size.
Okay. Okay.
See, check. Can you put the other size? The zipper is not good.
So is that typically how it fails? Just the one side?
Yeah. See, the zipper is.
Ta-da. Okay.
So it is loose.
And you didn't cut any teeth? No, nothing.
No,
No.
not yet.
No. This is the hard part.
Yes.
Wow.
Clean.